All right, good evening, guys. I know a lot of folks have been asking me, how can I get my vegetables or my 3 vegetables in, all right? And so I'm going to show you a real quick, easy way. Now, first thing, once again, gut health is important, all right? So, got this kefir, right? This is basically probiotics in a bottle, all right? And that's what I'm going to use for my base. Instead of having a milk or something, I'm going to use this kefir. And it's really, I don't know what, it's got a tangy taste to it. We're going to pour it in there just like that. Kind of like a yogurt, all right? And then after that, we're going to add in our blueberries. And I just got a few blueberries in this bag. We'll throw them in there. Put them all in there, all right? And then we got some strawberries, all right? So basically, I'm going to pour some strawberries in there. And that's going to kind of give it a different flavor than just the greens. All right, now we got our greens here. All right, and we're gonna pitch those in there. Well, don't miss it. So I got kale. All right, I've got spinach, and I've got broccoli. All right, that's gonna be my vegetables. All right. If you need to sweeten it up, because a lot of folks are like, "Hey, I'm not sure I can drink this." All right, yeah, you can. All right, and if you need to, just add a little stevia to it. All right. It'll give a little sweetness, all right? So like I said, we're gonna add that in there. Get that on so I don't make a mess. All right, so hey, let's see what it tastes like. You know, see that? Looks a little like mud, all right? But anyway, hey, it'll be all right. Here we go. The face tells it all, right? That's good. Good stuff. That's how you get your vegetables and make them taste good. All right, you guys have a great night.